I'm Harold, and this is my truck. This is a Chevy truck. It's an American truck. See the bow tie? Yeah. Nobody pays me to drive this truck. I drive this truck because I like this truck. Yeah, my truck is a little messy, but hey, I'm a working man, so my truck can be messy. I go through the bank to make my deposits, and they say, Mr. Jackson, you're pre-approved for a car loan. Wouldn't you like a new truck? And I tell them no. I drive a Chevy truck. A Chevy truck will last you a lifetime. You yuppies can go and buy those other trucks from them other countries made out of them sardine cans. But you know what? I think I'll just stay with my Chevrolet truck. So I have to put this truck to work now and get on the road. And I'll see you guys later. Always remember to buckle up. You don't have to be a cool old rich guy to drive the right car. Because driving the right car, like a Chevy truck, it makes you cool. And whether you're rich or not, it'll make you feel rich. I'll be driving this truck off into the sunset.